Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start inside Maya with the scene open. Go straight to Window Settings/Preferences Color Settings to access the global color controls. Once there, choose the section that controls Viewport or UI background and enable the option labeled Use Background Color so Maya will use your chosen value. You do this early because the viewport reads this global setting first, and making the change now ensures subsequent steps apply consistently across cameras and panels. Now you adjust the actual color using the swatch. Click it to open the color picker and either drag an RGB/HSV or type precise numbers. Enter 0, 18, 0, 18, 0, 18 for neutral gray, for example. Once done, preview immediately in the chosen viewport so you can judge contrast with your materials. If you want the same backdrop everywhere, make sure to check the option to apply to all viewports. This prevents mismatched looks when switching panels. Finish by saving your preferences so the viewport color persists across sessions. Go to Save Preferences and confirm. If the viewport stubbornly stays at the default, restart Maya and clear the viewport/display cache because some changes require a UI refresh. Make sure you also inspect camera or display layer overrides that can independently set background color. If present, remove or update them. This single-path approach is the only reliable way to change the viewport color across Maya consistently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.